Hey everybody, quick little Wednesday night update for you here. What are you doing there, bud? Got Bud down here. Jesse is out here somewhere. Just thought I'd put something up. It's been, I think, over a week since I put anything up, so I thought I'd let you know what's going on here. We have had some rain. The grass is turning green, and actually I went out to mow the darn yard today, and this girl threw the belt. I turned it on. Sounded like everything was running. I had the radio headphones on. Seemed like everything was running, but it wasn't blowing any grass out, so took those off and turned it back on. Had some smoke coming out. Yeah, she threw the belt. Not sure what happened, but it came off of this pulley back here. And this was wrapped so tight underneath there, it's about cut in, I don't know if you can see it, it's about cut in half. So, heading up to the local John Deere place we have, and picking up a new one of those tomorrow morning. Get the yard mowed. Can you believe the 4th of July is almost here? Holy cow, what is it? 4 more days and the 4th of July? But crops are looking good. It's warm out, not hot. It's actually pretty pleasant out today. It's right now, I think the heat index is like 88, something like that. Buddy is chewing on some grass. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm torn between a couple of things. The crew cab here, if I had a bed for it, that would make things a heck of a lot easier, but I don't have a bed, and finding one around here is, well, I won't say impossible, but almost next to impossible, and they want a fortune for them. Need to get a bed for that girl. Also needs a starter. The starter's out on that. I think if I could put a new starter on it, she'd start up and run, and if I had a bed for it, that would help a ton. I could get to work on this thing, replacing the cab corners, and some of the rockers they're not horrible. A lot of this, I think, sand it down and paint it and be fine. This, like this back here, that obviously needs replaced, but I've gone over that before. A lot of cosmetic stuff, but overall, I don't know, I'm kind of into this truck. I just don't know what to do. The other thing is the Bronco over here. Well, there's Jessie, girl. Darn weeds. I cannot keep these weeds down. Sprayed this about a week ago, and now they're popping back up again. Get a little bit of rain and they just come back, right, Jess? Abby's up in the house. I just can't let Jessie dog and Abby out together because they run down the ditch all the way to the pavement down there, and well, over there's where Buddy got shot, and there's a little bit of a hill right here. So when they run down there and get up on the pavement, somebody's going to get killed. So Abby and Jessie don't get to go out together very often unless I can go outside and just keep an eye on them. But the other thing I got is the 93 Bronco. I don't know what to do with this thing. It's mine now. I've got all the parts for it. Needs a lot of work. Just painting it would, I don't know, maybe it'd get me back into it. My heart's not really into this thing. Thought about parting it out, but at the same time, I think it's better than just parting the thing out. I don't know. Somebody wants to make me an offer on it as it sits. I've got all the parts. Make me an offer and come pick her up. But I don't know what I want to do with this thing. I can't decide what to do. I think I'd rather work on, get the light off. I think I'd rather work on the crew cab up here. I think that would be a pretty neat truck if it was all fixed up, all the bodywork done, painted up, looking like new. I think it would I think that'd be a pretty awesome truck. And I don't know if I've ever seen a brick nose crew cab before. So I think that'd be pretty good. We did have a fire up at the house, me and Jody and Jill, the other night. Darn little, I don't know what they're called, little black bugs. They were getting really bad, so that didn't last horribly long. We just had hot dogs and some s'mores. We were gonna make the little pie things. Anyway. Nope, just I'm down here tonight. Get this thing fixed up in the morning. Got there's no smoke. I think I need to put some more wood on this thing. Got a smoking a meatloaf in there. Get the door back shut. We're up to 115. Need to get up to 160 and then take her off of there. But that's what we're having for supper tonight. So I don't know, that's what's going on here right now. Gonna have I'm not sure how I'm doing these tomorrow. Got 5 pounds of chicken legs here, which they have on sale again. This was only $4.33, and they got them on sale again. So probably gonna go pick some more of those up. I'm trying to get these thawed out. I should probably put them back in the fridge here pretty soon. They're getting there. I don't know if I'm gonna do them on the griddle, or if we're gonna get got a big deep fryer up in the house, and we may do them that way as well. I'm not sure. Don't know how everybody wants that, so probably have to get some oil or something. I don't know. I'm just kind of rambling on about stuff. Not really doing any truck stuff. There is there's another Cars and Coffee down in Des Moines on, I think it's, well, shoot, now I don't remember. I think it's the 19th. But for some reason that doesn't sound right. I don't know. Jody kind of wants to go do that, and I do too. Get the truck all cleaned up. She needs another bath, even though it doesn't look like it. Interior needs detailed. Under the hood needs all detailed up as well. But it might be something kind of fun to do. It goes from 8 to 11, I think, in the morning. And we've thought about doing that, so might do that here pretty soon. Make a video on that. My sister's having fireworks Saturday night on the 3rd. My first wife's husband, she's remarried, he spends like $2,000-$3,000 on fireworks. I believe he gets them out of Japan. It's all computer controlled and puts on a really good show. We went last year, and I think we may do that again. I have to take Jill back to her mom on Saturday, although I may, buddy, ask if we could do the kid swap on Sunday, like Sunday morning or something. That way she could go to fireworks with us. I had her last year for the 4th of July, so she wants to have her this year, and that's only fair. So anyway, got a bunch, these ash trees up here have the ash borer in them. There's like 6 of them up there. They're all dying. So probably end up putting them back on the burn. Well, I'll cut up a bunch of it for firewood, I suppose, but a lot of it probably end up on the burn pile out back and have a big bonfire sometime. But anyway, I don't know, thinking about getting back to work on these doors. I could get cab corners, and I'm not sure on the rockers what all needs replaced and stuff, but get to work on that. I know I've been lacking on putting out truck content. Jody and I are going to start, I know I keep saying it and we haven't done it yet. We're going to start cooking on the old Blackstone on the Fox Shop BBQ channel. And that should be a lot of fun. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on here. This is going on way too long. I'm just rambling on and on. Going to get that thing going here shortly. Maybe tomorrow, pull that out and see if I can get that going. I don't know. Anybody want to see videos on any of this stuff? Comment down below. Comment down below what you're doing on the 4th of July too. I'd like to know what everybody's up to. There's a bunch of kittens around here too. There's like 10 of them. They were in a box over, where is it? Back in there. There's like 2 or 3 mama cats. And they seem to have moved them. I can hear them every once in a while, but I don't know where they moved them to. But anyway, guys, Buddy's running up to the house. What are we up to temperature-wise here? 118. Not going to be too much longer. What time is it here? Yeah, it's 5 after 6. Maybe in another hour we'll have that done. Jill's down here drawing on the whiteboard again. And she did make up a new logo for the Fox Shop BBQ, which is much like this guy. She redrew it. He's holding a spatula and he's got a apron on and it says the Fox Shop BBQ, which she needs to fix yet because she needs to rotate the text down. But anyway, guys, this is going on way too long. Just thought I'd put something out there for you tonight. I'm gonna finish cooking. Probably gotta get some more wood on this. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Bye-bye.